much amazing opportunity here on the keyboard, all these amazing things you can do. Go ahead and take your time, work through each chunk of those skills and drills until you're just flowing. Okay, see you at the next level.